Hello guys, if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, I gave you a very beautiful short strategy which could literally increase your sales. First of all, go to clickbank.com and create your free account. Then choose your random product. For the sake of this video, as I'm working with affiliate marketing, I will choose randomly free traffic system, flood your sites with free traffic. I will click on this link and I will end up in this beautiful landing page. I will copy this link guys and go to the other website which is W2P. This is a really beautiful awesome website which could really make you convert any websites into PDF in just one click over the button. Then I will click this button, I will generate my PDF file. Please keep watching until the end as every single step is very important in order to succeed with this strategy. Then after I have generated this my beautiful PDF file, then last step I will go to the website called sajda.com. Sajda.com guys is an awesome website which could really make you generate and include all your links inside any PDF file and modify anything in this PDF. I will paste my hub link from clickbank.com inside every call to action box in order to increase my sales very smoothly and very fastly. After that guys, I will download my file and go to my drive.com, google drive.com, and I upload my file there. Then I copy my link from google drive.com, and last step I will go to canva.com, which is a really awesome website which make you generate any template, any post. I will generate marketing pin, and as you can see, how to drive website traffic without SEO. Then the last and final step, I will go to pinterest.com. I will upload this fine beautiful pin which I already created, and I will paste my Google Drive file here, and I will write a beautiful title and beautiful description and publish my pin. You could make this and apply this strategy in every niche you want. It's really a good strategy, and it's endless options. You could make money online with this strategy guys. I hope you best of luck, and I hope see you soon in another tutorial. Bye bye.